Have you ever driven past a bustling construction site and wondered about all the activity, or more specifically, what invisible forces keep everything on track and safe? Construction site inspections are multifaceted processes designed to ensure the continuous safety of workers and the public, maintain the quality of work performed, verify compliance with project specifications and regulatory standards, and keep the project progressing efficiently. They are a fundamental tool for managing risk and upholding professional accountability in the construction industry. The core purpose of these inspections stems from the inherently complex and often hazardous nature of construction work, combined with strict legal and contractual obligations. Think of it as a constant feedback loop. Regulatory bodies, such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, conduct inspections to enforce safety laws, ensuring that everything from scaffolding to personal protective equipment meets established guidelines. At the same time, quality control inspections performed by engineers and project managers ensure that structural elements are sound, materials are correctly installed, and the final build will be durable and functional, minimizing costly rework and disputes down the line. To effectively leverage inspections, consider them an ongoing, integrated part of your project management strategy rather than just an occasional check. Implement a proactive inspection schedule that aligns with different project phases, from excavation to finishing. Utilize clear checklists tailored to specific tasks and trades, ensuring that no critical safety or quality point is missed. Train all personnel, from superintendents to craft workers, on what to look for and how to report potential issues, fostering a culture where everyone acts as an inspector, not just a designated safety officer. This distributed approach helps catch small problems before they escalate into major disruptions or hazards. A key insider detail to remember is the concept of a stop-work authority, often granted during critical safety inspections. This power allows an authorized inspector to immediately halt work if an imminent danger to life or health is observed, demonstrating the serious weight behind these inspections. Furthermore, understanding the difference between a compliance inspection versus a quality assurance inspection is vital. While compliance focuses on meeting minimum legal requirements, quality assurance aims for excellence beyond just the basic code, driving higher project standards and client satisfaction. Ultimately, construction site inspections are not just about finding flaws. They are about fostering a culture of continuous improvement, preventing accidents, and delivering high-quality projects on time and within budget. By embracing thorough and regular inspections, you are actively safeguarding lives, protecting investments, and building a reputation for excellence in a demanding industry.